me, Smitty, here at Phillips Chevrolet in Lansing, Illinois, the Midwest's #1 Chevy dealer. I'm standing here with a young man, Jason. He's a proud new owner of a 2016 Malibu. Jason, can you tell the people at home something about your experience here today?
Man, Smitty was on it as soon as I came in the door. He took care of me. He got everything squared away, the paperwork, my vehicle that I brought in, and the trade-in value. He had me hook me up, full tank of gas, everything was right on time.
Boom, all that. So you be the next one come down to Phillips Chevrolet in Lansing, Illinois. And don't forget to ask for Smitty.